Evening, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
The video. Sarah,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
please switch on the video. Okay, Joel Maria. Okay, okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Not morning, it's afternoon, dear. Okay. All are fine? All are fine? Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now let's have a jogging for 1 second. Okay. And then we can do together. All of you stand up. Okay. We can start. Start jogging. Start. Then you will become fresh. Okay. Start jogging. Good, good, good. Dhruva Prashant. Good, good. Abhinav. Very good, very good. You feel fresh after that. That's why. Okay. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, now stop. Now stop and sit down. Very good, children. Very good. Sit down. Okay. Now all are ready, I think. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Excuse me,
How
ma'am.
are you, ma'am?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
You are muted.
How are you, ma'am?
Your mic is
How are
muted.
you, ma'am? I'm fine, thank
Okay,
you.
okay. Ah, okay, okay. Now you can hear, I think. Marin, please unmute.
How are you, ma'am?
Okay. Last class, what we discussed?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, ma'am?
Marin.
Inside,
We discuss inside and outside. Inside and outside. Very good, Marin. Very good. Okay. Junaida, please unmute Junaida. Junaida, name one game which we can play inside the classroom or inside the room.
Yes.
Junaida, name one game which we can play inside the room.
Yes.
Inside. Chess. Ah, very good, very good. Okay, chess, very good. Okay, good.
Carroms. Carroms.
Malavika. Malavika.
Carroms.
Okay. Name one game which we can play outside the classroom. Outside the classroom.
Ball. Ball.
Which ball?
Basketball.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay.
Ball.
Basketball, football, these games we can play outside the room. Okay. Now, just I will show you last day's portion. Then we will discuss today's. Okay. Just we can revise what we studied last day. Okay. Now I'm going to share the screen. Okay. So inside and outside, these are the two words we discussed last day. And inside means inner, okay? Outside means outer. Some games we can play inside the room, and some we can play outside the room. Okay, now okay, the picture will come just within 1 minute. Okay, now it is loading. Mohammed Rishan? Mohammed Rishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the bird? Can you see the screen? Where is the bird?
Inside the room.
Ah, the bird is
Inside the
inside the
Inside.
bird.
Inside the cage.
Inside the cage. The bird is inside the cage. The bird is inside the cage. So this is the word we discussed yesterday. Okay. Now, okay, Malavika.
Cage.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the bird? Look at the screen and say, where is the bird?
The bird is outside the cage.
The bird is outside. The bird is
Me,
outside the
I cannot see
cage.
screen.
Okay, the bird is outside the cage. This outside we discussed last day. Okay, now
I cannot see
Tirtha,
screen.
look at the screen. Tirtha, look at the screen. Sit properly and look at the screen. Where is the cat?
Ma'am,
Where is the cat?
inside
Tirtha, please unmute your device.
the box.
Okay, where is the cat?
Inside the box.
The cat is inside the box. Cat is inside the box. Okay, now Siddharth, Siddharth, look at the screen. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? Outside. The cat is outside the box. The cat is outside the box. Okay, now Ritvik, Ritvik, look at the screen. Where is the ball? Look at the ball and say answer. The ball is Ritvik, inside or outside? Ritvik, inside. The ball is inside the box. The ball is inside the box. Now, these are the words we discussed last day. Okay, these are the words we discussed last day. Now, today we are discussing three words. Now, see which are the three words we are discussing? Before, between, after. See, just take before. Okay? Students, please listen to ma'am. Okay? Please mute your device and listen to ma'am. Today, first of all, we are discussing the word before. Okay? We are discussing before. So let us see what's the meaning of before. Before means in front of. Before means in front of. Okay? Agnes, Agnes, which is the first word we are discussing today? Which is the first word we are discussing today? Before. Say, Agnes. Before. Okay. What's the meaning of before? What's the meaning of before? In front of. What's the meaning of before?
In front
In
of.
front of. Very good. Okay. Henry Baiju. Henry Baiju. What is the word we discussed first? Which is the word we are discussing first? Before. Okay. What's the meaning of before?
Front of.
Friend of. Got it? So today we are discussing the first word before. The meaning is that in front of. We already discussed in front of 2 days before, no? Yes. Okay. Now, then we are discussing after. Just opposite of before. After. What is the meaning of after? Behind. Okay. Which is the second word we are discussing today? After. Okay. What's the meaning of after? Behind. Okay. Behind. Okay. Which is the second word we are discussing today? After. Okay. What is the meaning of after? Behind. Okay. We've discussed it 2 days before now. What's the meaning of behind and all? Okay. Now, Abhinav. Abhinav. Abhinav MP. Today we are going to discuss 2 words. Okay. We said 2 words. Which are the 2 words ma'am said? What is the first word ma'am said? Abhinav. Before. Abhinav, say, look at the screen. Before. What's the meaning of before? In front of. Okay. Which is the second word ma'am said? After. After. What's the meaning of after? Behind. Okay. So, in front of me, before means in front of, after means behind. Okay. Now, related to these 2 words, one more word is here, that is between. Okay. Between. So, the between meaning is middle. Okay. Between meaning is middle. Okay. What's the meaning of between? Middle. Okay. Austin. Austin, please unmute. Austin, please unmute. Austin, please unmute. Which are the words today we are discussing? Before. Say before. Then what? Then what?
After, middle.
Before meaning is in front of. After meaning is behind. Between meaning is middle. Got it? Okay. Risa, please unmute your device. Which are the 3 words we discuss now? Before. Say before. What's the meaning of before? In front of. Okay. Which is the second word?
Before.
Which is the second word? After. What's the meaning of after? Behind. Okay. Now, which is the third word I said? Between. What's the meaning of between? Middle. Okay. You got it? Middle. Okay. Now, Abel. Not Abel. Adel. Please unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the 3 words ma'am discuss now?
Between.
Before
Between.
and after. Okay, very good. First one we can take before. What's the meaning of before?
In front of.
Very good. In front of. What's the meaning of after? Behind. Very good. Now the third word, between. What's the meaning of between? Middle. Very good. Now let me share the screen. Okay. Through some pictures, it will be more clear to you. Now I am going to share the screen. Okay. So today we discuss before, after and middle. Okay, not middle, between. Okay, before, after and between. So the meaning of before is in front of. Okay, the meaning of meaning of before is in front of. Now what's the meaning of after? Meaning is behind. Now, next one is between. What's the meaning of between? Middle. Okay. Now the picture will come. Okay.
Middle.
Okay. See. First one, before. Okay, before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. What is the meaning? In front of. Okay, in front of. Okay, now, which is the next word we discuss? Which is the next word we said? After. Okay, after. What is the meaning of after? Behind. Behind. Okay, now, which is the third word we discuss? Between. Good. Between. Okay, what's the meaning of between? Middle. Oh, very good. Okay, so these are the three words: before, in front of; after, behind; between, middle. Okay, now see. Okay, now can you see the screen? Mahmoud, Risha, look at the screen. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you can see a leaf, an apple, a flower. Okay. Last year in UKG, you all attended the assembly. Yes, you will stand in a line. You were standing in a line for assembly. Yes or no? The same way, this leaf and flower. These three were standing in a line. What they are doing? Leaf, apple, and flower. They were standing for us. Okay. Dhruva Prashant.
Yes.
See, which is the first position? Which object is the first position? Who is standing first? Leaf. Very good. Who is standing second? Apple. Who is standing third? Flower. So this leaf, apple, and flower. This all three were standing in a line. And see, at the front position, who is in the front position? Leaf. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, Ivania, look at the screen. What you can see on the screen? What you can see on the screen? Which is the first one? Which is the first object? Leaf. Very good. So leaf is there, then apple, then flower. See, leaf, apple, and flower. These three were standing in a line. Okay, they are standing for assembly. Okay, now who is in the first position? Leaf. Who is in second position? Apple. Who is in third position? Flower. Now, let me ask you. See, the leaf is dash the apple. Let me write. Leaf is dash the apple. Okay. Parents, please keep quiet. Parents, please be quiet. Let them listen to ma'am. Okay? Let them listen to ma'am. The leaf is dash the apple. Okay? Is it before the apple or behind the apple? Ah, very good. The leaf is the apple. And see, the leaf is before the apple. The leaf is before the apple. Now, Adinath P. Sunil. Adinath.
Ma'am.
Where is the apple? Where is the leaf? Where is the leaf?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Please, ma'am.
Sounds are coming. We cannot clear the class.
Yes, yes. Just say, please.
Before.
Students, please be silent. Okay. Who is talking in between? When parent is talking, please say louder.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. We
now,
cannot clear the class. That's why I told you.
now, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
ma'am.
Adinath, Adinath. See, where is the leaf? Adinath, where is the leaf?
Before.
Before the
Before.
apple. You have to say complete. Okay? The leaf is before the apple. The leaf is before the apple. Okay. Now, let me ask you, Marin. Marin, please unmute your device. Where is the leaf? Where is the leaf?
Before.
Don't say simply before. Say complete sentence. The leaf is before the apple. The leaf is before the apple. Okay? Now, Abhinav and P. Abhinav, where is the leaf? Where is the leaf? The leaf is for the apple. Okay. Now, look at the flower. The flower. See? You can see the first position occupied by leaf. Second one is apple. And third one is flower. Okay. Now, see the position of flower.
Flower is after the apple.
Very good. Very good. The flower is after the complete it. After the apple. So, the flower is after the apple. The flower is after the apple. This flower is back of apple, behind of apple. The flower is behind of apple. So we can say the flower is after the apple. The flower is after the apple. Now, Adel Maria, where is the flower? Adel Maria, where is the flower?
Flower is
After
apple.
the flower is after the apple. The flower is after the apple. Okay. Now let us see the position of apple. Okay. Let us see the position of apple.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can see sound. I can see sound.
You can't see.
I can hear our sound.
You can't hear my sound, but others can listen.
I can hear our sound.
But others can hear, I think. I think some connection issues may be there. That's why I can hear my sound. Yes.
Can I answer?
Who is talking? Please say the name.
Between
Very good, very good, very good. What's your name? Okay. You are saying the position of apple. Very good. The apple is, say.
The apple is between the
Very good.
leaf and flower.
Very good. The apple is between the leaf and flower. Very good. Okay. The apple is between the leaf and flower. The apple is between the leaf and the flower. Junaita, where is the apple? Junaita, where is the apple? The apple is between the
flower.
leaf and the flower. Hayan, where is the apple?
Leaf and
Where is the apple?
the apple is
Between leaf and flower. Okay, very good. Now, Johan Judy, where is the apple? Johan,
and it is
apple? Johan, where is the apple?
Between.
John, where is the apple?
Between.
Between. Between. The apple is between the leaf and the flower. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, now look at the screen again. Okay, look at the screen again. Okay, you can see one mouse is there, one cat is there, one ball is there. Okay, this all the three. See the mouse, the cat, and the ball. All the three also are standing in a line. Let us see their position. Okay, let us see their position. Okay, Manav, please unmute your device, Manav. Manav, please unmute your device. Okay. Now, where is the mouse position? The mouse is dash the cat. Is it before the cat or after the cat? Very good. Mouse is before the cat. The mouse is before the cat. Okay. Very good. Now, Agnetius. Agnetius. What about the cat, Agnay? What about the cat, Agnay? What is the position of cat? The cat is
Before.
Look at the position of cat.
The mouse and wooden ball.
Very good. The cat is between the mouse and the ball. The cat is between the mouse and the ball. Okay. Now, Megharsh. Where are you? Megharsh. Okay. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Where is the ball? The ball is it before the cat or after the cat? Very good. The ball is after the cat. The ball is after the cat. Okay. Now, Aisha, look at the screen, Aisha.
Yes.
See, where is the position of mouse? The mouse is dash the cat.
The mouse is for the.
Very good. The mouse is before the cat. The mouse is for the cat. Now, Sarah, where is the position of cat? Where is the position of cat?
In between.
Between the mouse and wooden ball.
The cat is between. The cat is between the mouse and the ball. The cat is between the mouse and the ball. Now, Angelina, what are you doing, Angelina? Angelina, what are you doing? Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Where is the ball? Where is the ball? Ball is the ball is
After the cat.
very good, very good. The ball is the ball is after the cat. The ball is after the cat. Okay, the ball is after the cat. So it is clear for you now the meaning of before, between, and after. Yes. Okay. Now, let me ask you once more. Let us once more we can revise. Okay. Let me ask another one. Krishna Raj. Look at the screen. Okay. Where is the mouse? The mouse is dash the cat. Say louder. Mouse is it before the cat or after the cat? Listen, look at the picture carefully. The mouse is dash the cat. Is it before the cat or after the cat? Before. The mouse is before the cat. Okay. Raya Sakir. Raya Sakir. Look at the screen. Where is the cat? The cat is.
The cat is
Ah,
between
the cat
mouse
is.
and the wooden ball.
Very good, very good. The cat is between the mouse and the ball. Between the mouse and the ball. Now, Arnav, please switch on the video and look at the screen. Where is the ball? Is it before the cat or after the cat? The ball is after the cat. The ball is after the cat. Now I am going to stop sharing. Okay. So we discussed today three words. Okay. Three related words. Okay. First one is before. So what's the meaning of before? Before means in front of. Okay. Prarthana, what's the meaning of before? In front of. Very good. Then we discuss after. What's the meaning of after? After, Abhinav, what's the meaning of after? What's the meaning of after? Behind. Very good. Now, Prarthana, what's the meaning of between? Prarthana, what's the meaning of between? Middle. Very good. Middle. Okay. So these are the three words we discussed today. Okay? I think you all understood the meaning of these three. Okay. So today also ma'am will send the notes of these three words. Okay. Try to complete in the notebook. Okay? And tomorrow we can do the exercise. So you have to bring tomorrow the textbook. All of you have the textbook with you? Textbook.
Yeah. No.
Those who have textbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have textbook, mathematics textbook, tomorrow you keep it. Okay? Then we can do the exercise. Okay? Those who don't have, I will send the photo in the group. Okay? WhatsApp group. Okay? Okay. Those who got it, bring tomorrow. You keep near with you. Okay? We can do the exercise tomorrow. Okay? I think it's clear for you.
No.
I think it is clear for you today. Today's topic. Now I'm going to. What you are asking? What you are asking? Not a new book. Tomorrow, for the class, keep your textbook near to you. Okay. You can do some exercise related to positional words. Okay. You understood?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I will send some notes that you write in the notebook. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye.